welcome to my channel. Thought I'd start to get some YouTube videos together for what I'm doing with the Escort that I've got here. It's a Mk2 Escort with a Mk2 2.5 engine, it's a tractive 6-speed gearbox. I bought the car presuming it was ready to go and compete in some rally events, which is new to me. I've done quite a lot of motorbike racing and been doing some circuit racing in the cars this year as well. So I've always wanted to have a go at the rallying, and so I finally got around to getting a proper car and getting stuck in. I've done my bars licence, that's all sorted. The car's going to take quite a bit more prep than what I'd hoped for, in all fairness, so I thought I'd start videoing what I'm doing to give you all a look at it. Hopefully it's interesting, but I have to wait and see. So the first problem I have is the bottom of the sill is not great, so I'll give you a little quick look at that actually. So I started off fitting one of these sill stand kits. For my first attempt, I want to, not too bad on the outside there, that was good, but I started to notice quickly that we've got some problems inside the car. We've got some issues with, down there you can sort of see it starting to go, and then down in the bottom of the A-pillar there ain't a lot left there, so it looks like I've got to get the wing off it to have a little look at what's required. So from what I can see, the wings, this wing looks like it's tacked on here, and well, I guess it's tacked on in there somewhere as well, perhaps. I don't know. I have to clean it off and have a look in there. And then obviously we've got, behind here. So I think we've got some spot welds down the inside of this seam. It's a shame to have to take it off, but I've got no choice. Obviously I'm going to have to cut it out down there on. That looks like that's going to be a bit of a mission. So I'll set about now stripping things off and seeing about getting the wing off it. This, bit of a daunting task really, but I'm keen to learn all about these things. So progress and see how we get on.
Saying what you mean, suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely
Okay, so I think that's the wings unsecured down there. What a job. What a job. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look underneath there and cut down the bottom down there. So put the camera over here, see how we get on with this. don't know how good the wing is or not.
Stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain.
Have a proper look at it. It's pretty ropey down here, doesn't it? But yeah. So obviously, give you a little look up what we've got down here. So the reason why we've got to get it off is because obviously, well, I mean that isn't very good at all, is it? I mean there ain't nothing left of this here. Look at it inside there. I need to get this panel off now, don't I? I thought this was part of the wing, to be fair, this strip here, but it ain't. So I think it's just going to be a case of getting this seam sealer off it. Getting into it, having a look. So thanks very much for watching. Hope that was interesting. This is the first longer video I've tried to do, so you'll have to just excuse me if it's a bit crap. I'll do my best, but you know, I like recording it and this is interesting stuff for somebody, I'm sure. So thanks very much for watching my video, and I'll get on to another one, getting this panel off and seeing what we've got behind here. Thanks very much, bye.